These make me happy. Come on in, welcome to my home. Today we are making easy pumpkin scones. Scones should be easy. So this isn't going to take a whole lot. They're easy to make, easy to form. But we are going to start off with all of our ingredients. They are listed down below. You can do this. I believe in you. I'm starting off with my flour, baking powder, sugar, ginger, nutmeg, and cinnamon. I'm going to take all those and whisk them together. And I know I'm going to need a bigger bowl. Alright, bowl correction done. Yay. Sit that aside. Now I'm going to first slightly beat up my egg. Then dump my slightly beat up egg into my pumpkin. Slightly beat this. To that, I'm going to add my sea salt and my oat milk. Now, if you are not going to use oat milk, you can use regular milk, heavy cream, whatever makes you happy. You want to mix this until it is actually combined. Now, we're going to take our wet ingredients and put them in with our dry ingredients. My oven is preheated to 375 degrees. I'm going to go ahead and get my hands mixed in here. While you're mixing that up, don't forget to add your butter. Mixing this up with your hands will help make this light and fluffy. Now, my butter was grated. Most of it was grated. Be careful not to overwork this. Then, you want to form this into a 6-inch round. Put that there. You will see flakes of butter because it is frozen. Then you're going to cut this using a offset spatula. This is not a knife. Offset spatula. Form your little triangles. I'm going to form 8. If you use a knife, you run the risk of cutting your silicone. I've done that. It made me sad. Then I'm going to move these out 2 inches. Yes, the butter will melt. Oh, you'll see it. It's wonderful. Now, I'm going to lightly brush the tops of these. I'm using oat milk. You can use whatever milk you like. Alright, now I'm going to place these into my 375 degree oven and bake them for about 20 minutes or until they're lightly golden brown. Once you have these out of the oven, let them cool on a wire rack. Now we'll go ahead and give one a taste. That was good. These make me happy. Now you could top these with a maple confectioner's sugar glaze. I don't think it needs it whatsoever. I will be the first to tell you. These are not pretty, but they're scones. Scones are meant to be eaten. They don't need to be pretty. They need to be good. These are really good. And that's what I'm all about, making good food. Now, if you make these, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at CM Coleman Home. So easy, so simple, took no time at all. And I just baked them. 20 minutes, that's all it took. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. Let me know what you thought about that down in the comments. I hope I get to see you the next time you stop by.